Hi, I'm Autumn and you're watching Accent Shorts, your go-to YouTube channel for everything finance. Index funds, mutual funds, hedge funds, and ETFs? You've probably heard of all of them, especially with investing apps like Robinhood exploding in popularity during the GameStop frenzy back in 2021. But here's a clear, beginner-friendly breakdown of all four major fund types so you can actually understand the difference and sound smart when you're talking about them. First up, index funds, the set it and forget it option. Instead of picking individual stocks, index funds simply copy the market. When you buy one index fund, you own tiny pieces of hundreds of companies. They're great for beginners and long-term investors because they require very little effort or maintenance. An ETF is very similar to an index fund, except you can buy and sell it throughout the trading day, just like an individual stock. That flexibility is one of the biggest differences between ETFs and traditional index funds. Mutual funds, on the other hand, are actively managed by professionals. You're paying someone to build and manage a diversified portfolio in an attempt to outperform the market. The problem? Many mutual funds underperform comparable index funds over the long run. When you hear hedge fund, think illuminati. Most people can't invest in them because they're generally reserved for wealthy or accredited investors and often use higher risk investment strategies. Here's an easy way to remember. Index fund, copy the market. ETF, trade a fund like a stock. Mutual fund, professionally managed. Hedge fund, higher risk investing for wealthy investors. There's an old investing principle. No one can beat the market forever. If someone eventually owned everything in the market, they'd simply be the market. And you can't outperform the market if you already own it. It's like trying to conquer Italy after you already own Italy. There's nothing left to conquer.